Good evening, fellow South Africans.
Onke amehlo aza kube ejonge kumongameli ngorhatya. Amanye amaqela aphikisayo athi u-Ramaphosa makasebenzise elithuba agxothe abaphathiswa abadyobhekayo kwingxelo yekomishoni kaZondo. Ngelixa abanye besithi makenze inguqu kwicandelo lezokhuseleko.
We also expect President Ramaphosa to bring drastic changes in the security cluster. Minister of Police, Acela, and Minister of State Security Agency must be fired.
Njengoko abaphathiswa bengama-27 kumasebe angama-28 amanye akholelwa ukuba ikhabhinethi inkulu fanele icuthwe.
If he does not utilize this opportunity to more than half his cabinet, he will not be acting in the best interest of South Africa, in the best interest of taxpayers, and in the best interest of a streamlined and effective government.
Ukungabikho kozinzo kwabanye omasipala abalawulwa ngendibaniselwano kubangixhala kumanye amaqela.
We have huge challenges in spaces like local government, where the coalitions are largely unstable and where we really need a minister who can lead there to introduce rules and laws to stabilize coalition governments.
Iqela le-ACDP lifuna kugxothwe abanye abaphathiswa.
The allegations against Mr. Gordhan necessitate that he steps aside and steps down. We believe that Minister Ngesi has presided over employment and labor, where we have some of the highest unemployment rates in the world. Minister Ngesi needs to go. We also believe that Minister Nzimande, as well as Mocheka, the higher education and basic education ministers, have exceeded their shelf life.
Kwelinye icala i-ATM ifuna umongameli asebenzise elithuba ehle esikhundleni sakhe.
At 7 o'clock tonight, Mr. Ramaphosa must simply tender his resignation and face the full wrath of the law.
Ndingulula Amamatya weendaba ze-SABC eParlamente eKapa.